Good morning, everyone. I request all of you please raise for the national anthem to welcome the guests.
శ్రీకృష్ణ గారు,
Please be seated.
శ్రీకృష్ణ గారు,
Sir,
మేడం మీరు ఎందుకు ప్లే చేస్తున్నారు మేడం నేషనల్ అంతం?
sorry sir, we have stopped the national anthem. We'll resume after you tell us.
మేడం ఇలా మిస్టేక్స్ జరిగితే ఎలా మేడం? సార్ సీరియస్గా తీసుకుంటారు గవర్నర్ సార్. సార్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత నేషనల్ అంతం ప్లే చేయాలి మీ వైపు
Good
నుంచి.
morning, everyone. I request all of you definitely to raise for the national
సార్ వచ్చే
anthem.
ముందు నేను చెప్తాను, మీరు రెడీగా ఉండండి.
Yes, sir.
ఉంది స్ట్రిక్ట్లీ ఫాలో అవ్వండి మేడం, మినిట్ టు మినిట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్.
Yes, sir.
కృష్ణమోహన్ గారు,
Let the governor.
Sir. Sure.
తర్వాత మీరప్పుడు ప్లీజ్ రైస్ ఫర్ ద నేషనల్ అనగానే గవర్నర్ సార్ కంప్లీట్గా నుంచున్న తర్వాత ప్లే చేయండి.
ఓకే సార్.
ఎవరైతే ల్యాప్టాప్ ఆపరేట్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళకి చెప్పండి షేరింగ్
ఓకే సార్.
కరెక్ట్గా చేయమని. ఇందాక బ్రేక్ అయింది నేషనల్ అంత ప్లే అయినప్పుడు.
అలాగే సార్.
బ్రేకేజ్ రాకూడదండి, చాలా సీరియస్గా తీసుకుంటారు నేషనల్ అంత విషయంలో.
అలాగే సార్.
శ్రీకృష్ణ గారు,
Please be seated.
శ్రీకృష్ణ గారు,
Sir,
మేడం మీరు ఎందుకు ప్లే చేస్తున్నారు మేడం నేషనల్ అంతం?
sorry sir, we have stopped the national anthem. We'll resume after you tell us.
మేడం ఇలా మిస్టేక్స్ జరిగితే ఎలా మేడం? సార్ సీరియస్గా తీసుకుంటారు గవర్నర్ సార్. సార్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత నేషనల్ అంతం ప్లే చేయాలి మీ వైపు నుంచి.
Okay, sir. Definitely.
సార్ వచ్చే ముందు నేను చెప్తాను, మీరు రెడీగా ఉండండి.
Yes, sir.
ఉంది స్ట్రిక్ట్లీ ఫాలో అవ్వండి మేడం, మినిట్ టు మినిట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్.
Yes, sir.
కృష్ణమోహన్ గారు,
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
దయచేసి మినిట్ టు మినిట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫాలో అవ్వండి సార్.
షూర్
దయచేసి
సార్.
గవర్నర్ సార్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత వచ్చే ముందు నేను చెప్తాను.
ఓకే
సార్ వచ్చి కూర్చున్న తర్వాత
ఓకే
మీరు అప్పుడు ప్లీజ్ రైస్ ఫర్ ద నేషనల్ అనగానే గవర్నర్ సార్ కంప్లీట్గా నుంచున్న తర్వాత ప్లే చేయండి.
ఓకే సార్.
ఎవరైతే ల్యాప్టాప్ ఆపరేట్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళకి చెప్పండి షేరింగ్
ఓకే సార్.
కరెక్ట్గా చేయమని. ఇందాక బ్రేక్ అయింది నేషనల్ అంత ప్లే అయినప్పుడు.
అలాగే సార్.
బ్రేకేజ్ రాకూడదండి, చాలా సీరియస్గా తీసుకుంటారు నేషనల్ అంత విషయంలో.
అలాగే సార్. హలో.
Testing. Check 1 2 3. Hello. Testing. Check 1 2 3. Hello.
I request all of you to switch off your mobile phones during the convocation. I request all of you to switch off your mobile phones during the convocation.
కృష్ణమోహన్ గారు,
సార్
కృష్ణమోహన్ గారు,
సార్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ రెడీ సార్.
గవర్నర్ సార్ వస్తున్నారండి, రెడీగా ఉండండి.
ఓకే
రెడీగా
సార్.
ఉండండి సార్.
రెడీ సార్.
కృష్ణమోహన్ గారు,
సార్
కృష్ణమోహన్ గారు,
సార్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ రెడీ సార్.
గవర్నర్ సార్ వస్తున్నారండి, రెడీగా ఉండండి.
ఓకే
సైలెంట్గా ఉండండి సార్.
రెడీ సార్, రెడీ సార్.
Now let us all raise for the national anthem. Please resume your seats. Welcoming the guests. Now let us
By
all
Ms. K.
raise for the
Anila
national
Kumari,
anthem. Member Executive Council.
I welcome the Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Registrar of Krishna University and the Chief Guest for the 5th Convocation of Krishna University. I welcome
the scientist, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and also to confer the degrees, diplomas upon the candidates who have been certified
Welcoming the guests
worthy of
by Ms.
them by
K.
the
Anila
Executive
Kumari,
Council.
Member Executive Council. Presentation of the annual report of Krishna University by the Vice Chancellor.
I welcome the Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Registrar of Krishna University and the Chief Guest for the 5th Convocation of Krishna University. I welcome the recipient of
Sri
to the
Vishwabhushan
conferred
Harichandan,
honorary degree,
the Honorable
members
Governor of
the
Andhra Pradesh
Executive
and
Council,
Chancellor of Krishna
deans
University,
faculties,
the Honorable
principals of constituent
the Minister,
colleges, supporting
Adimulaf
staff,
Suresh Garu,
distinguished guests
the AP
and
State Council of Higher
candidates
Education,
who are
the
present
Professor K.
here to
Hemchandra
receive
Reddy,
degrees,
the distinguished
diplomas
Chief Guest
and
cum
medals
orator,
in this
Dr. G.
fifth
Satish Reddy,
convocation of Krishna
Secretary, the
University.
Department of Defence R&D, and
Now
Chairman,
the
the
convocation
DRDO,
commences.
the recipient
The
of
Vice
honorary
Chancellor shall
doctorate,
seek the
the
permission
Padma
of
Shri
the
N.
Chancellor.
Balakrishnan, the visiting distinguished
Do I have the
revered
permission of the
guest,
Chancellor
member of the
to commence
Executive
the
Council and
convocation
the Academic
proceedings?
Senate of the University, the Deans of Faculties, Registrar, the Principals of the University, the
declare
constituent
that the
colleges,
convocation is
directors,
open.
the member of the
The fifth
faculty,
convocation of
the supporting
Krishna
staff,
University
students,
has been
research
called
scholars
to confer
who are
the Doctor
eagerly
of Science
awaiting their
degree,
degrees,
Henry
the print
Kaza,
and electronic
upon
media,
Dr. N.
ladies and
Balakrishnan,
gentlemen.
the
the scientist, Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore to welcome and also on behalf of the Krishna University degrees to the diplomas momentous upon the candidates who have been certified. I extend a warm welcome by the Executive Council. Sri Bishwabhushan Harichandan Garu, the throughout his career
Presentation of
for his
the
political
annual
wisdom
report of
and for his
Krishna
contribution to the
University
freedom
by Vice
struggle
Chancellor.
and for his unswearing the commitment, the social upliftment. It is our good fortune that we have and a senior statesman, an eminent scholar,
Vishwabhushan
and a devoted
Harichandan,
social worker
the
of
Honorable
his
Governor of Andhra
stature
Pradesh
as our
and
Chancellor
Chancellor
of Krishna University.
So our
graduates
the
will
Honorable
proudly remember the August
Minister,
presence on this auspicious
Adimula Suresh
occasion.
Garu, the
It gives
AP
us
State
an immense
Council of Higher
pleasure
Education,
to have
the Professor
Dr.
K.
G.
Hemchandra
Satish Reddy,
Reddy,
the
the
Secretary,
distinguished
the
Chief
Department
Guest
of
cum
Defense
orator,
R&D,
Dr.
and the
G.
Chairman
Satish Reddy,
DRDO,
Secretary,
to be the Chief Guest
the
cum
Department
orator
of
of this
Defense
convocation.
R&D,
And
Dr.
Chairman
Reddy has
the DRDO
applied the
a
respect
vital
of
role
honorary doctorate,
in the development
the
of
Padma
major
Shri N.
programs
Balakrishnan,
on
the
missiles
visiting
and
dignitaries,
strategic systems,
the revealed
fighter
guest,
aircraft,
member of the
and
Executive
unmanned
Council,
aerial and the academic
Defense
senate
system,
of the university,
underwater
the
systems,
teams of
the radar
faculties,
systems,
register,
strategic
the
materials
principals of the university,
the
armaments,
constant
and
colleges,
directors,
futuristic
member of
technologies,
technologies.
the
I
supporting
deem it a
staff,
great honor
students,
and a privilege to
research
welcome
scholars
you who
your
are
presence
eagerly
itself
awaiting
as
their
an
degrees.
exemplar
The print and
will give
electronic
positive
media,
vibrations
ladies and
in the minds
gentlemen.
of the
The
youngsters.
good morning to all of you.
I welcome
It is indeed
to
an
our
honor to welcome
midst
you all
at the Padma
on
Shri,
behalf of the
the
Krishna
Professor N.
University
Balakrishnan,
to the
an
eminent
momentous
scientist
occasion of the fifth
and a
convocation
versatile
of
genius.
Krishna University.
He is one of
I
the
extend a warm
pioneer
welcome
in the domain
to the
of
Governor of Andhra
aerospace
Pradesh,
engineering
Sri
and
Bishwabhushan
information
Harichandan
technology.
Garu.
The
Most of his
throughout his
researches
career
have
for his political wisdom,
practical
and for his
significance
contribution
in
to
the
the freedom
contemporary
struggle,
world.
and for
With
his
his research
unswearing
inputs,
the
the Professor
commitment,
N. Balakrishnan
the social
has contributed
upliftment.
to
It is
some
our good
crucial
fortunate
aspects of
fortune
modern life.
that we have
His majestic presence
and a senior statesman, an eminent scholar,
immeasurable
and a social
inspiration
worker
to
of our
his
students and
stature
staff as our chancellor.
brief report on the
So our
activities of the
graduates will
university.
proudly
It is my
remember
pleasure
your
to present
August
a brief
presence
report
on this
on the
auspicious
background,
occasion.
the activities and
It gives us an
accomplishment
immense
of the
pleasure to have
university,
Dr.
and
G.
current
Satish
programs
Reddy, the
we
secretary
are
of the
offering.
Department of
So
Defense
named after
R&D
the mighty
and the
river
chairman
Krishna,
DRDO,
the
lifeline
chief
of
guest
Krishna
cum
Basin
orator of
the
this
Krishna
convocation.
University is
Dr.
one
Reddy
of the
has
youngest
applied
among
a
a vital
10
role
conventional
in
state
the development of
universities
major
in Andhra
programs
Pradesh.
on
It was
missiles
established
and
in
strategic
2008
systems
by
the
the
fighter
government of Andhra
aircraft
Pradesh
and
by
unmanned
exercising the
aerial
powers
the defense
conferred
system
under
underwater
subsection
systems
1
the radar systems
of
strategic
Section 3 of
materials AP
the
Universities
Armaments
Act 1991. This university was
Futuristic technologies.
admitted under
I deem it
22
a
of
great
the
honor
UGC Act and a
1956.
privilege to welcome you. The
Your
constant
presence
college
itself
of the university.
as an
The
exemplar
university has
will
4
give a
constant
positive
colleges,
vibrations
out of
in the
which
minds of
the
the
3 are at
youngsters.
Rudhravaram
I
campus
welcome
and 1 is
into
at
our
Nujividu. The
midst
University
at the
College
Padma
of Arts
Shri,
and Science
the Professor
is
N.
one of the
Balakrishnan,
colleges, an
an
eminent
established
scientist,
along with the
and a
establishment
versatile
of this
genius.
varsity
He
in the
is
year
one of the
2008.
a pioneer
The Krishna
in the
University,
domain of
the College of
aerospace
Dr.
engineering,
MR
and information
AR,
technology.
postgraduate
The
studies.
most of his
Nujividu
researches
was
originally PG Center of
conspicuous
Acharya
and
Nagarjuna
practical
University,
significance
which was
in the
transferred to
contemporary
Krishna
world.
University
With
in the
his
year
research
2011.
inputs, the Professor
Krishna
N.
University
Balakrishnan
College of
has
Engineering and
contributed
Technology was
to some
established
crucial
during academic
aspects
year
of modern life.
2016-17.
With a majestic presence,
Establishment
they
of Krishna University
provide
College of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research.
Immeasurable
I am delighted
inspiration
to
place
our students
on
and
record
staff that the Krishna University
brief
College
report
of
on the
Pharmaceutical
activities of the
Sciences
university.
and Research
It
was
is my
established
pleasure to present
during the
a brief
academic year
report on the
2020-21.
the
As the latest
activities and
among
accomplishments
these
of the
illustrious institutions.
university
The UG
and current
PG
programs
offered
we are
in
offering.
constant colleges.
So named
the
after
University
the
College
mighty
of Arts
river
and
Krishna
Science
is
the
offering
lifeline of Krishna
15
Basin
programs.
The Krishna
While the
University
Krishna University
is
College
the
of
one of the
Engineering and
youngest among
Technology
is
is
offering
the 10 conventional
two BTech
state
programs,
universities
the BTech
in
Computer
Andhra
Science
Pradesh.
and Engineering.
It was established
the BTech
in 2008
Electronics,
by
Communication
the
and
government of
Engineering
Andhra Pradesh
with an intake
by
of
exercising the
120
powers
students in each
conferred
program.
under
The
subsection
Krishna University
1
College of Pharmaceutical Science
of
and Research
Section 3
is
of
offering
AP
the
Universities
4-year
Act B.Pharm.C.
1991
program
with
This
an intake of
university
60
was
seats
admitted
under
M.Pharm.C.
M22 of the
program
UGC
with an
Act
intake of
1956.
18
The
seats.
Constant
The Krishna
College of the
University,
University.
Dr.
The
MR
MR
AR
PG
PG
Constant Colleges,
postgraduate
out
studies,
of which the Nujividi
are
is offering
Rudhravaram
8
campus
postgraduate
and 1 is at
programs.
Nujividu.
The University College of Arts and Science
commence
is
of
one
new
of the
PG
colleges
programs.
established
I wish to place it
along with the
a
establishment
record
of this
that
varsity
2 new PG
in the year
programs,
2008.
MSc Mathematics,
The Krishna University,
MSc Physics,
the College of
the
Dr.
programs
programs were
MRAR commenced at
postgraduate
University College
studies.
of Arts and
Nuzigulu
Science
was
during the
originally
academic
PG
year
Center of Arts at Nagarjuna
2020-21.
University which was
affiliated
transferred to
colleges
Krishna
of the
University
university
in the year
The
2011.
strength of the university
Krishna
is
University
its
College of
affiliated
Engineering and
colleges
Technology was
located at
established
various
during
the
the academic
parts of
year
Krishna
2016-17.
It has 163
Establishment of
affiliated
Krishna University
colleges
College of
in its
Pharmaceutical Sciences
purview,
and
of
Research.
which 87
I am
colleges
delighted
offering
to
place
undergraduate
on
programs
record
that
that
36
Krishna
College
University
of Pharmaceutical
offering
Pharmaceutical
both UG,
Sciences
PG programs
and research
and
was
27
established
colleges offering
during the academic year
education programs.
2020-21.
Apart from
at the
these,
latest among
the two colleges
these
are offering
illustrious
a pharmacy
institutions.
programs.
The UG,
4
PG
colleges are
programs
offering
offered
hotel management
in constituent
programs.
colleges.
The two
The
colleges
University
are
College
offering
of Arts and
physical
Science
education
is
programs.
offering
The two
15
colleges are
programs,
offering
while the
MBA
Krishna University
programs
College of
and two
Engineering
other
and Technology
colleges
is offering law programs.
Two BTech
Among
programs,
163
the BTech
affiliated
Computer
colleges
Science and Engineering,
the 23
the BTech
colleges have
Electronics,
both
Communication and
UGC
Engineering.
With
Two
the
F
intake of
12B,
the 120
4
students
colleges are
in each
with a
program.
potential for
The Krishna
excellence.
University College
8
of
colleges
Pharmaceutical
are
Science and
autonomous
Research
colleges.
is
The
offering
15 colleges
the 4-year
are
aided
colleges
pharmacy program
and 20
with an
colleges
intake
have
of 60
NAC
seats
accreditation.
and
The
the
COVID
2019
with an
pandemic
intake of
18 seats.
With an
The Krishna
outbreak
University,
of the
Dr.
COVID-19,
MR
the
AR
normal
PG
functioning of the
postgraduate
university
studies,
was
the
affected
NUGBD is
adversely,
offering 8
especially in the
postgraduate
initial
programs.
days of
The
the
comments,
pandemic.
despite
The
this adversity,
comments of new
and the
PG
prolonged
programs,
lockdown,
I wish to
it
place it
necessitates
a record
the university
that the
has
two new PG
switched over
programs,
to the
MSc
virtual
Mathematics,
mode of
MSc
the teaching
Physics, the
before,
programs were
long by
commenced at
using
University
latest
College of Arts and Science
online
during the academic
technologies
year
and
2020-21.
the uninterrupted
classes
coursework
of the
to the
university.
students.
Further, I am
strength
happy
of
to
the
share
university
the
is
fact
its
that
affiliated
the
colleges
university has
located
effectively
at various
completed
the
the
parts of
examinations
Krishna
according
district.
to the
It has
schedules
163
in
affiliated
offline mode
colleges
and successfully
in its
completed the
purview,
academic
of
year,
which
even
87
in the
colleges
COVID pandemic,
offering
undergraduate
without much
programs
disturbance
to the
the
students.
36 college of
New
offering
education
both
policy
UG,
2020
PG
programs
with
and
regard to new
27
education
colleges
policy
offering
2020
education programs.
as per the directions
Apart
of
from
Higher Education
these,
Department,
the two colleges
and
are
Andhra Pradesh
offering
State
a
Council of
pharmacy
Higher
programs.
Education.
4
The
colleges
university
are
has
offering
adopted
hotel management programs.
a proactive
The two
approach
colleges are
and
offering
started
physical
implementing
education
the
programs.
key
The two
policies of
colleges
new
are offering
education policy
MBA programs
2020
and the two
from
other
the current
colleges are
academic
offering
year. I
law
am glad to
programs.
inform that
Among
in
163
tune
affiliated
with the
colleges,
National Education
the
Policy
23 colleges
2020,
have
the university
both
has
UGC,
introduced
two
the
F1
4-year
and
honors
12B.
program
The 4
from the
colleges
academic
are
year with a
2021
potential for
2021.
excellence.
8
With an
colleges are
exit
autonomous
option to the
colleges.
students
The 15
after the
colleges
third
are
year.
aided colleges
And
new
20
curriculum
colleges
has
have
been
NAC
introduced
accreditation.
from the academic
The
year
COVID 2019
2020-21, in which life skills with an
skill development,
outbreak of
the
the COVID-19
COVID-19
courses,
the normal
the
functioning
community
of the
projects,
university
on-the-job
was
training were
affected adversely,
incorporated
especially
to
in
make
the
the students
days of
suitable
the
to the
pandemic.
present day.
That despite this
requirements
adversity
of the job
and the
market
prolonged
and
lockdown
industry,
it necessitates
strengthening the university
has
infrastructure.
switched over to
With
the
regard to the
virtual mode
infrastructure,
of the
I am
teaching
happy to inform
before
that
long
the
by
Krishna University
using
has
latest
started a functioning
online
from its own
technologies
campus
and
located in
ensured
Rudravaram
the
in the
uninterrupted
environment
classwork
of
to the students.
Machilipatnam.
Further, I am
The
happy
term
to
from
share
January
the
2020
fact that the
by
university has
overcoming the
effectively
a decade-long
completed the
PG
examinations
problems
according
of
to the
infrastructure.
schedules
At present,
in
the
offline
university
mode
is located
and successfully
at the
completed the
sprawling
academic year
campus of
even in the
103
COVID pandemic
acres
without
two
much
mega
disturbance to the
the
students.
administrative and
New
academic
education
buildings
policy
of
2020.
roughly about
With regard to
the
new
2,25,000
education policy
square
2020,
feet
as per the
built
directions
area
of Higher
in
Education
total
Department
and built up with
and
an
the
amount
Andhra Pradesh
of
State Council of Higher
88 crores,
Education,
93
the
lakhs,
university has
24,000.
adopted a
Further, I am
proactive
extremely
approach
happy
and started
to place
implementing
and record
the key
that
policies
the Executive
of new
Council of the
education
Krishna
policy
University
2020
has made a
from the
special
current academic
efforts
year.
to
I
strengthen
am
the
glad to inform that
infrastructure
in
facilities
tune
by
with the
approving
National
the
Education
construction
Policy
of buildings,
2020,
namely
the university
the
has
men's hostel,
introduced
women's
the
hostel,
4-year honors
engineering
program
college,
from the
pharmacy
academic year
college, 2020-21
compound wall
with an exit option to the
at
students
the main campus
after the
and
third
extension
year.
of women's
In
hostel.
New curriculum has
academic
been
block
introduced
at University
from the
College
academic
of
year Dr. MR 2021 PG
in
studies
which
life
new
skills
GBD,
with
skill
an
development,
approximate amount
the
of
market
the 50
oriented
crores.
courses,
The community
building
projects,
laboratory facilities.
on-the-job
I
training
am
were
extremely happy to
incorporated
place and
to
record
make the
that
students
since
the
the
university
university
moved to the
own
the
building,
requirements.
we have
made
the
a
job
special
market
efforts
and
to
industry.
strengthen the laboratories
Strengthening
for
the university
science program.
infrastructure.
The university
With
has
regard to the
procured around
infrastructure,
the
I am
200
happy to
desktop
inform
computers
that
and
the
25
Krishna University
printers
has
with an amount amount
started
of
a
75
functioning
lakhs
from its own
40,000
campus
to
located
meet the
Rudravaram
basic
in the
requirements
environ
of departmental
of
laboratories,
Machilipatnam,
library,
the town from
administrative
January
office,
2020.
I am
By
happy to inform
overcoming
you
the
that the
decade-long
state-of-the-art
teething problems
chemistry
of
laboratory has been
infrastructure.
established
At present,
with an
the
amount of
university is located
45 lakhs
at the
to
scale
cater
in
the needs
campus
of three
103
different
acres
programs
with
offered
2
by
mega
Department
the
of
administrative
Chemistry.
and
Similarly,
academic buildings
the fully
of
equipped
roughly
laboratory
about
facilities
the 2
have
lakhs
been put in
25,000
place
square
for
feet
various
plinth
programs
area
offered
in
by
total
the
and
Department
built up
of
with an amount of
Bioscience,
88
Biotechnology
crores
and
93
Physics
lakhs
with an amount of
24,000.
the 12 lakhs.
The further I am extremely happy
to place
The required
and
number
record
of
that
different
the
laboratories
Executive
for
Council of
electronics
Krishna
communication
University
engineering
has made
and
a
electronics
special
efforts
to
to
strengthen
computer
the
science and engineering
infrastructure
the
facilities
programs
by approving
the
the
University College
construction
of
of
Engineering
buildings
and Technology
namely
were
the men's
established
hostel,
with an
women's
approximate
hostel,
amount of
engineering
the
college,
60 lakhs.
pharmacy college,
Similarly,
food
the
court,
new labs
compound
required
wall
to run pharmacy course were
at the main
established
campus
with
and
approximate
extension
amount
of
of
women's
the
hostel
5 lakhs
new
at the University
academic block
College of
at University
Pharmaceutical
College
Sciences
of
and
Dr.
Research.
MRAR,
The establishment
PG
of
studies,
rooftop
Nujividu,
grid
with an
solar
approximate
energy.
amount
The
of
Krishna University
50
has
crores.
obtained
The
necessary
building
approval
laboratory
from the
facilities.
Executive
I am
Council of the
extremely happy
University
to place
to
and
install
record
the
that
facility of
since the university
rooftop
moved to
grid
the
infra
own building, we have made a special
interactive
effort
the solar
to strengthen
energy
the laboratories
400
for the
kilowatts
kilowatts program.
in the
The
campus
university has
under
procured
renewable
around
energy
the
service
200
company
desktop
method
computers
through
and the
new
25
and
printer
renewable
with
energy
an amount of
development the
75
corporation
lakhs
of Andhra Pradesh
40,000
Limited. To meet the
establishment of
basic
indoor
requirements
sports
of
stadium,
departmental
considering the
laboratories,
overall
library,
development of the
administrative
students,
office, etc.
and I am happy
Also
to
to
inform
provide
you
the
that the
recreational
state of
facilities
arts, the
to
chemistry
the staff of the
laboratory has
university,
been
the
established
various
with
facilities
an amount
for
of
sports and games
to
such
cater
as
the needs
the
of
badminton
3
court,
different
the table
programs
tennis
offered
the
by
carrom boards,
Department
chess,
of
etc.
Chemistry.
were provided
Similarly,
at
the
the
fully
indoor
equipped
stadium with
laboratory
an amount of
facilities
the
have been put in
2,40,000
place
for a various
at Dr.
programs
Y.S. Rajshekar
offered
Reddy
by administrative
Department
building.
of Bioscience,
Establishment of
Biotechnology
University
and
Auditorium.
Physics
I am
with an
happy
amount
to
of
share that
the 12
the
lakhs.
fifth convocation is being organized.
At
The
Alluri
required number of
Sitaramaraju
different
Auditorium,
laboratories for
where
electronics
all of you
communication
are-
engineering
all of you are
and electronics
sitting comfortably
now.
now.
Computer science
This
and
indeed
engineering,
recently
the programs
established with an
the
amount
University
of
College of
45
Engineering
lakhs.
and Technology
Research and
were
development
established
activities.
with an
As the
approximate
research
amount
and
of
development
the 60
activities,
lakhs.
I am delighted
Similarly,
to say
the
that
new labs
since
required
the last
to run
convocation,
pharmacy
our
course were
faculty
established
members
with
have
approximate
published
amount
over
of the
200
5 lakh research
at the
papers
University College of
published
Pharmaceutical
in various
Sciences and
national and
Research.
international
The
journals
establishment
and
of
published 8
rooftops,
books. The
grid
university
solar
has
energy.
awarded
The Krishna University
7
has
MPhils obtained
and 36
necessary approval
PhDs
from the
during last
Executive
3
Council
years.
of the
The university
to
faculty
install the
secured
facility
the
of
research grants
rooftop under
grid
various schemes from central agencies
Interactive
such
the
as
solar energy,
DBT, 400
DST,
kilowatts in the
etc.
campus
to the
under
tune of
renewable
about
energy service
rupees
company
the 16
method
lakhs during the
through
last 3 years.
new and renewable
The university
energy
industry
development
interaction.
the corporation
The
of
university
Andhra
has
Pradesh
signed a
Limited. Memorandum of
establishment of
understanding
indoor
with the
sports
13
stadium.
different industries
Considering the
and institutions
overall
during
development
the
of the
last 2 years
students
with
and
a view to
also
improve
to provide
the internships
the
and
recreational
placement opportunities
opportunities
for
to
the
the
staff
students.
of the university.
The Krishna
the
University
various
Common
facilities
Entrance
for
Test.
Sports
The
and
university
games
has successfully
such as
conducted
the
the
Badminton
Krishna
court,
University
the
Common
table tennis
Entrance
test, the
in
carrom
the
boards,
last
chess,
3
etc.
years.
were provided
NSS
at the
activities
indoor
at
stadium
Krishna
with
University
an amount
level.
of
I am
the
glad to
2,40,000.
inform that the
The
university
has
has
been
Dr. Y.S. Rajshekar
making
Reddy
the
administrative
persistent
building
efforts
to foster
establishment
the
of
spirit
University
of the
Auditorium.
social
I am happy to share
and
that
community
the
service
fifth convocation
and among
is
them
being
as per
organized
the directions
at
of the
Alluri
central and state
Sitaramaraju
governments
Auditorium
from the
where
time to time.
all of you
The
are
National
all of
Service
you
Scheme
are sale of the
seeking
university
comfortably
has
now
120
this
units
indeed
recently
consisting
established
of
12,000
amount of
NSS 45
volunteers.
lakhs.
Research
Inauguration
and
of
development
NCC
activities.
unit. As the research
I am
and
happy
development
to inform you
activities,
that
I am
NCC
delighted
unit
to say
started
that
this year
since
with
the
100
last
cadets.
convocation,
Our
accomplishment
faculty
faculty
and
members
games
have
on the
published
sports and
over
games front,
200
the Krishna
research
University
papers,
has
published
proved itself
in various
the
national and
credentials at
international
journal and
journals,
international level
and
sports
published
and games
8 books.
events.
The university
ISO
has
9001,
awarded 7
the quality
MPhils
management
and
system
36
certification.
PhDs
It
during
gives
last
me
3
immense
years.
pleasure
The
to
university
share this
faculty
information to
secured
all of
the
you
research
that
grants
the university
under
has
various
secured
schemes
ISO
from
9001,
central agencies
a quality
such
management
as
systems,
DBT certification in the academic year
ICSR
2020 to the tune of about
and
it is now the 16 lakhs during the last 3 years. And secure the university industry during the
present
university
academic
has
year.
signed a
The
memorandum
closing
of
remarks.
understanding
Before I take
with the 13
leave,
different
I extend my
industries
best
and
wishes to
institutions
each
during
and
the last
each
2 years.
one of you,
with a view
the
to
graduating
improve
today,
the
I am
internships
congratulate
and
you
placement
and
opportunities
wish you
for
all the bright
students.
and the successful
Krishna University
future
Common
in whatever
Entrance
the
Test.
career you
The
choose.
university has
Your hard
successfully
work
conducted
with the
the Krishna
commitment
University
and
Common
honesty will
Entrance
lead
Test
you
in
to
the
success
last
and
3
your
years.
achievement will be
NSS
a matter
activities
of pride
at Krishna
to your
University level.
alma mater. I am glad to inform that ultimately the university has been to the making of the persistent efforts and the country the spirit of the social consciousness and note of community service. Strong wish and among them that as per the directions of the central and state university from the time to time.
The new national service scheme, sale of the University of Excellence, 120 marching units, head into the future, 12,000 NSS volunteers, and inauguration of spirit. I once again convey my congratulations to the graduating students and scholars and my best wishes to all the stakeholders of Krishna University for their vote, the mission of making a quality higher education a reality. Jai Hind.
administering the pledge by the Vice Chancellor. Let all the candidates raise from
Let the
their
candidate
seats.
stand forward.
All the candidates rise from your seats, keep standing. Answer the three questions put to you by the Vice Chancellor with the word, I do promise.
Do you solemnly and sincerely the promise and declare that it admitted to the research degrees, the postgraduate degrees for which you have been the recommended, you will in your daily life and conversation the conduct yourselves as a become a member of this university?
I do promise.
Do you solemnly and sincerely the promise and declare that to the utmost of your opportunity and ability you will use the powers for the promotion of the true learning in the service of your fellow men?
I do promise.
Do you solemnly and sincerely the promise that you will the faithfully and diligently the fulfill the duties of the profession to which you will eventually the belong, and that you will and on all occasions the maintain its the purity and reputation? Let the candidates for the degrees, the diplomas and medals now be presented.
Conferment of honorary degree. Now, Professor D. Surichandra Rao, member of the Executive Council, shall present Padma Shri Professor N. Balakrishnan to the Chancellor for honorary degree.
Mr. Chancellor, I deem it an honor and privilege to present to you Professor N. Balakrishnan, an eminent senior scientist and an awardee of the prestigious Padma Shri. Hailing from the state of Tamil Nadu, he rose to the current position of INSA senior scientist at the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. He was a professor of the Department of Aerospace Engineering and Supercomputer Education Research Center at Indian Institute of Science. Currently, he is a visiting professor of Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research. He joined the Department of Aerospace Engineering as an assistant professor in 1981 and later served as associate director of the Indian Institute of the Science from 2005 to 2014 in an exemplary manner. His remarkable academic itinerary include his BE honors in Electronics and Communications from the University of Madras in 1972 and PhD from the Indian Institute of Science in 1979. After this, the trajectory of his unmatched services started at the Indian Institute of Science as delineated already. At the IISc, he played a crucial role in establishing Supercomputer Center and Education Research, National Center for Science Information, and the Center for Microprocessor Applications. Professor N. Balakrishnan is a well-known for the versatile range of his research interests. His areas of research include numerical electromagnetics, high-performance computing and networks, and polarimetric radar, and aerospace electronic systems, information security, and digital library. Most of his researches have amazing practical significance in a contemporary world. Mention must be made in this respect of his seminal contribution in polarimetric radar that include rain rate estimation in pure rain and mixed phase precipitations, hail size determination, enhanced microphysical insight into meteorological process. Professor N. Balakrishnan's multifaceted genius has also manifested in the area of information technology that has brought out an all-round revolutionary in every walk of the modern life. His work in information security includes performance and enhancement of intrusion detection system, malware analysis, botnet detection, complex networks, lightweight encryptions, high-speed traffic monitoring and analysis, wireless sensor networks for strategic applications. In addition to these remarkable contributions, he has also developed a security network authentication system using smart card deployed in service networks, a tool for survivable networks designed for the national networks. His contribution to the digital libraries are also quite remarkable, and they are to be reckoned as an independent area of research to get at least some inclining of his multidimensional genius. In recognition of his outstanding services and unparalleled contribution, the Government of India conferred the prestigious Padma Shri Award on him in the year 2002. In fact, he is the recipient of a good number of other awards and recognitions, such as PhD honoris causa from Punjab Technical University in 2003, Distinguished Alumni Award IISc in 2016, Distinguished Service Award of the Department of Aerospace Engineering IISc in 2017, SN Mitra Memorial Award of INSA, DRDO Academy Excellence Award, Homi J. Baba Award, J.C. Bose National Fellowship. As a cosmopolitan scientist, his membership in many institutions testifies to the wide range of his collaborations. He is a fellow of World Academy of Science, Indian National Science Academy, Indian Academy of Sciences, Indian National Academy of Engineering, National Academy of Sciences and Institutions of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. He was NRC Senior Resident Research Associate at the National Severe Storms Laboratory, Norman, Oklahoma, USA from 1987 to 1989. He was a visiting research scientist at University of Oklahoma in 1990, Colorado State University in 1991, and at Carnegie Mellon University during the summer 2002-2007. In spite of these enviable academic and research achievements, he has never remained an armchair academician, but has always been ready to share his expertise by participating in variety of establishments in the society. He is the director of Equitas Small Finance Bank Limited and IFCI. He is currently a member of Council of RGUKT, Andhra Pradesh, Board of Governors of IIT Kharagpur, member of Board of DSCI. He is serving member of the Joint Advisory Board of Carnegie Mellon University, Qatar. He served earlier as a member of National Security Advisory Board, part-time member of TRI, Board of the Central Bank of India, a member of Scientific Advisory Committee to Cabinet, and member of Board of Governors of CDAC, ISI, IIT Chennai, IIT Delhi, IIST Singapore. Even a cursory look at this astounding range of his research and administrative activities is enough to realize his achievements and their usefulness to the society at large. This makes him, beyond any possible doubt, the most deserving person for the honor that is going to be bestowed on him today. Over to Vice Chancellor, sir.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, the pray that he may be admitted to the degree of the Doctor of Science honoris causa of Krishna University.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of the Krishna University, I admit you to the degree of Doctor of Science honoris causa of this university on account of your eminence and attainment.
Thank you, sir.
Now, award of gold medals by the Vice Chancellor. I request all the students to form a queue and come here.
University is awarding 5 gold medals in the subjects Pharmacy, Telugu, Organic Chemistry, instituted by the donors. I will now read out the names of the recipients. M. Lakshmi Prasanna for the year academic year 2015-16 in Pharmacy. R. Anusha for the year 2016-17. P. Divya for the year 2017-18. V. Chandrika Durga Sivani for the year 2018-19. C.H. Purna Venkata Shivaraman Gold Medal in Telugu. G. Samantha Jyoti for the year 2015-16. M. Nagajyoti for the academic year 2016-17. C.H. Sai Ramya for the academic year 2017-18. G. Pullarao for the academic year 2018-19. Sri Gudipati Mangaraju Gold Medal awarded in Organic Chemistry. C.H. Lakshmi Bhargavi for the academic year 2015-16. C.H. Narmata for the academic year 2016-17. V. Shravani Kumari for the academic year 2017-18. Shravani Kumari. Sri Velamur Subramaniam Gold Medal in Organic Chemistry. G. Prajannavi for the academic year 2018. Next award, Sri V.R. Tata, Srimati Lalita Tata and Mrs. Himaja Teja, Gold Medal in Life Sciences. Mohammad Asmin Sultana, 2017-18. G. Lakshmi Deepika for the academic year 2018-19. Lakshmi Deepika. Thank you, sir.
Now, convocation address by our chief guest, Dr. G. Satish Reddy.
I request Dr. G. Satish Reddy, the chief guest cum orator, to give his message.
Very good morning. Namaskar. Honorable Chancellor, Krishna University, and Honorable Governor, State of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Bishwabhushan Harichandan ji, Vice Chancellor, Krishna University, Professor K.B. Chandrasekhar, Dr. Hemchandra Reddy, Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education Chairman, Registrar, the recipient of the honoris causa today, Professor Balakrishnan, the heads of the departments, faculties, and most importantly, the students who are receiving their graduation certificates, the important guests who are present here, the families of the students and media. Once again, very good morning to all of you and namaskar to you. At the outset, let me congratulate all the students who are graduating today from the Krishna University. It's a memorable day in your life. You are passing out of this university with the graduation certificates, respective courses, with the knowledge imparted by the professors and teachers from this university. Now, when you move out of this university, you are going to put into practice all this knowledge what you have gained from the university, and you are going to put into practice, and then you are going to excel yourself. When you people excel with the knowledge given by the university, and then you become eminent people, you achieve great things in your life, that is the day the university will be very, very happy of the achievements of you. The university will always be happy with the achievements of the alumnus. So it is important now, from today onwards, how we are going to conduct yourself and how you are going to do in the various fields what you have chosen, how you are going to excel yourself is very, very important today. Let me congratulate the Honorable Chancellor and Honorable Governor and the Vice Chancellor for inviting me to be here as chief guest to deliver the convocation address. It's a privilege for me to be at this Krishna University. I've just seen the total number of students who have applied for the graduation today are more than 50,000 students. A large number of students who are there part of this university, who have studied here, who are studying here, with number of colleges across, leaving aside the campus colleges of engineering, pharma and whatnot, and many other faculties. Most importantly, the university is located in one of the most important places of Andhra Pradesh, the Machilipatnam. Machilipatnam, if you look historically, it's a great town, port town, which has produced many eminent personalities for this country. Machilipatnam is known for various poets, scholars, and people who have done wonders in their life. If you look at the national flag designer, Pingali Venkaiah ji, he is from this town, he is from this place. The national great leader, Bhogaraju Pattavaramu Sitayamra Garu, national leader, Andhra Bank founder, he is from this place. The famous newspaper what we had earlier, Krishna Patrika, it was also from Mutnuru Krishnarao Garu, who is the founder of that newspaper. He is from this place. The great cricketer, C.K. Naidu, he is from this place. If you look at the eminent personalities like him, Koppalli Hanumantarao Garu, great freedom fighter, National College founder. And if you look at like that, the Janda Viridu Narsaya Garu, he is also from this place. The people who have excelled in the cine field and in the culture side, Raghupati Venkataratnam Garu, Raghupati Venkaiah Garu. There are so many people like this who have come from this place. Living aside in the contemporary period, in the last few decades, I know many people who have been as editors of many magazines, many newspapers, who have been writers. And there have been many people who have come and studied along with me in my engineering days from this place. I have lots of friends here who have studied along with me from this place. So this is a very important and eminent place, and this place on the banks of River Krishna, remembering River Krishna, Krishna University is established here. Such fantastic buildings, newly constructed buildings, and I am sure the infrastructure also will be coming up in line with these types of fantastic buildings which have come here. And having the large number of students here, I am sure that the university will be able to give the state-of-the-art education in line with the new education policy of the Government of India, wherein the students are able to earn the knowledge and you are able to put into practice immediately. Whether it is joining an industry, establishing an industry, starting a factory, or working for various companies and industries, or continuing in the field of education and research, whichever it is. Particularly the universities which are located in the Category 2 and Category 3 cities and towns of the country, they play a very important role. Because most of the people who study here are from rural India. It is those people who have come from the rural India, we have to make them come up in the society to excel in their fields, whether it is in the research or, as I said, in various fields. It is very, very important. Friends, you all have seen, we have, and this country, as youth of this country, we have done an excellent job in the IT field, information technology area, or information communication technology, ICT area. But now, there are lots of fields which are emerging today. You talk about today, the artificial intelligence, the cyber security related, the quantum technologies, various new fields which are emerging. The same way we need to excel. We should not be left behind. We should be leading in the world to capture the new areas where India is ahead of everyone and we are able to capture the opportunities. And that is the areas actually we need to focus. Not that other areas also, every area we need to excel. Like our Guru Dr. Kalam used to say that we all have to excel. He used to say that dream, dream, dream. Dreaming it is to become an eminent lawyer, eminent engineer, eminent doctor, eminent professional, anything, whatever area you choose, you are becoming an eminent, you have to be dreaming for that and you should become that and work for that. More than me, Professor Balki, who is actually known as Professor Balki, and all of you have seen his Professor Balakrishnan, an eminent professor and scientist. He has worked with Dr. Kalam for a long time. Very closely has worked with him. And I am very happy today. I am proud today to be sharing the dais with him, and where he is receiving the honoris causa from this university. I want to congratulate everyone, and I should thank Honorable Governor for giving honoris causa to an eminent professor like him, who has worked with defense and aerospace and the space departments in a big way from Indian Institute of Science. Indian Institute of Science is the center of the sciences, and particularly aerospace department. The aerospace department in the IISc and DRDO and space departments, they're so closely linked that we used to talk like equals working in the same research labs or working in the same institute. The same type of knowledge. The amount of knowledge we have gained from the institute, and that's how we could make so many missiles in the country, or so many launch vehicles, or space launch vehicles, what we have made in the country. I congratulate Professor Balakrishnan for receiving the honoris causa from this university. So as I said, when Dr. Kalam has said that we have to excel, now the need of the country is that we need to excel, particularly the youth of the country, and come out with greater ideas. Today, friends, I want to tell you, this country, in the last about 5-6 years, more than 50,000 startups have been registered with the Government of India. More than 50,000 startups. Most of them are by youngsters, youth. The people who were actually looking only at IT department earlier, information communication technology or information technology, they are entering into every field today. Youngsters are working on engines. Youngsters are working on materials. Youngsters are working on propulsion technologies, which we could not have thought about 5 years back. So a lot of areas, they're coming out with innovative ideas. See, one thing is there. Today, if India has to prosper, we have to come out with innovative ideas, innovative technologies, innovative systems, which actually world gets attracted to them. If we have to prosper, it is only by our products being sold everywhere in the world. That can come out of the state-of-the-art technologies, state-of-the-art innovations, with sustained quality and trying to maintain a lower price. This is what is the need of the hour. The country has to prosper. We have the energy, we have the skill set, we have the necessary brains. We only have to put it into the right use today. Just yesterday somebody was telling, worldwide, wherever you see, whichever institutes, Indians have excelled there. Indians have done wonderful jobs there. That is what need to be done here itself and send it to the world. Don't go and try to do there. Do it here and send it to the world. That is what is required today. I am sure universities like Krishna University will be able to produce that type of students who will be able to come out with innovations, or who will be able to do wonderful jobs in their life and make the country proud and make the country prosperous. Once again, I congratulate all the students who are graduating today and the people who have received the gold medals, and I wish a great future to you. Keep a very clear goal in your life and work towards it very clearly. You will be able to achieve your goal. That is what is required today. Jai Hind, Namaskar, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, Chancellor's message by the Honorable Governor of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Biswabhushan Harichandan Garu.
May I request the Chancellor, the Honorable Sri Biswabhushan Harichandan Garu, to give his message.
chief guest of the 5th convocation of Krishna University, Dr. G. Satish Reddy, Secretary, Department of Defense Research and Development, Government of India, and Chairman, Defense Research and Development Organization. Recipient of honorary degree, Padma Shri, Professor N. Balakrishnan, Scientist, Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. Dr. Hemchand Reddy, Chairman, Andhra Pradesh State Council for Higher Education. Professor K.B. Chandrasekhar, Vice Chancellor of the University. Members of the Executive Council, members of the faculty and the administrative staff, donors and guests, the recipients of the degrees and gold medals, today's convocation, proud parents, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, my warm greetings to you all. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of the 5th convocation of Krishna University. In the capacity of the Chancellor of this esteemed institution, the vision of this institution is to develop the university as a highly reputed higher education institution of the perennial source of knowledge like River Krishna for a just and sustainable knowledge economy and society. I am glad to know that this institution is striving relentlessly to realize its vision for the last 1 decade and moving in the right direction. On the auspicious occasion of today's convocation, I would like to congratulate all the graduating students, their parents, faculty members, and administrative staff. You have certainly demonstrated the commitment, creativity, and talent needed to succeed in your chosen career. I sincerely hope that after the achievement of your academic goal, your hard-earned knowledge enables you to lead your life in the best possible manner. Dr. G. Satish Reddy, today's chief guest, commemorator for the convocation, is known for his significant contribution to the indigenous design, development, deployment of diverse missiles and strategic defense systems. I am really impressed by the initiatives during the peak of COVID-19 pandemic in establishing a 1,000-bed COVID care center in a record time of 10 days. Every Telugu person is proud of his achievements. My special congratulations to Professor N. Balakrishnan, the recipient of the degree of honoris causa. Professor Balakrishnan is an eminent scientist associated with world-class institutes, both at national and international level. He is a multi-faceted personality with proven records in information technology and has been known for his versatile range of research interests. In recognition of his outstanding services and unparalleled contribution, the Government of India conferred the prestigious Padma Shri Award on him in the year 2012. I'm sure the image of the Krishna University has been enhanced with his presence at the convocation. As all of you are aware, education plays a vital role in development of any nation, as it constitutes the backbone of the country. The human resources produced by educational institutions play the most determining role in the advancement of a nation and the progress of the civilization. Therefore, higher education is considered as an important instrument to bring about social, economic, political, and technological reforms in any country, more particularly for a developing country like India. The most important mission of higher education institution is to mold the professionals by offering world-class education with global standards. At the same time, it should be ensured that there is no compromise on the quality of education offered. The outbreak of COVID-19 has taught us that change is inevitable, and the opportunities created will lead towards a better tomorrow. The pandemic situation forced the educational institutions to adopt online platforms and digital technologies as an alternative system of teaching to face the challenges posed by the pandemic. This generation of students are really fortunate that 34-year-old education system has undergone a major reform with the introduction of National Education Policy 2020 by the Government of India. The policy envisages a comprehensive framework from elementary education to higher education, as well as vocational training in both rural and urban India. The policy is built on the concept of access, equity, quality, affordability, and accountability. The NEP 2020 aims to transform India into a vibrant knowledge society and a global knowledge superpower by making both schools and college education more holistic, inclusive, flexible, and multidisciplinary, suited to 21st century needs, and also aims at bringing out unique capabilities of each student to the fore. With regard to the higher education, NEP 2020 aims at increasing the gross enrollment ratio in higher education, including vocational education, from 26.3% to 50% by 2035. The policy envisages broad-based, multidisciplinary, holistic undergraduate education with a flexible curriculum, creative combinations of subjects, integrated vocational education, and multiple entry and exit points with the appropriate certificate. UG education can be of 3 or 4 years with the multiple exit options and with the appropriate certification within the period. Multidisciplinary education and research universities are proposed to be set up as models of best multidisciplinary education of global standards in the country. National Research Foundation will be created as an apex body for fostering the strong research culture and building research capacity across higher education. Higher capacity across higher education. Higher Education Commission of India will be set up as a single overarching body of the entire higher education, excluding medical and legal education. I am quite confident that the reforms initiated by the central government under the leadership of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, will completely change the landscape of higher education and bring back glory to the higher education institutions and make India a world-class educational hub by 2041. The government of Andhra Pradesh, with a proactive approach, started implementing the key policies of the new education policy 2020 from the current academic year. I am glad to know that in tune with the National Education Policy 2020, the Krishna University has introduced 4 years honors programs from the academic year 2020-21 with an exit option to the students after 3rd year. I am happy to learn that Krishna University has started functioning from its own campus located at Rudravaram in the environs located at Rudravaram in the environs of Machilipatam towards from January 2019 by overcoming the decade of teaching problems of infrastructure. I am also glad to know that the university is at present located in the sprawling 103 acres campus with 2 mega administrative and academic blocks of roughly about 225,000 square feet length area and construction of hostel buildings for boys and girls, engineering college and pharmacy college are in progress. I am happy to know that Krishna University has established a new college for pharmaceutical programs, namely Krishna University College of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research during the academic year 2019-20. The university has established state-of-the-art laboratories in its 3 constituent colleges in Rudravaram campus for science, engineering and pharmacy programs with the latest equipment which will benefit the students community in acquiring necessary skill and knowledge. It is heartening to note that the Krishna University has secured ISO 9001 2015 Quality Management System certification in the academic year 2020-21 and preparing to secure NAC accreditation during the current academic year. I come to know that the university had effectively dealt with the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic during the previous academic year and ensured uninterrupted functioning of the classes in virtual mode and completed the academic year for students of various programs with stabilizing loss. Various programs without intellectual loss. All the 4 constituent colleges have fully geared up to face the pandemic situation and have arranged national as well as international seminars, conferences, workshops on virtual mode with resource persons chosen from renowned institutions for the benefit of the students and faculty. The research and development activity and the affiliation process of the university was well carried out by using the latest virtual digital technologies during the current academic year. Dear students, while leaving the portals of this institution and going in to outside world, you must take pride in a great alma mater. You must thank your parents, your toiled hard to make you what you are today. You must thank God for giving you opportunity to be in a better place. The greatest satisfaction in life comes by something back to the society which gave you the opportunity to be what you are today. Dear friends, I would like to congratulate the students who are receiving the medals for their excellent performances, and all the students who are receiving their graduate and postgraduate degrees, and the research scholars receiving their MPhil, PhD degrees. Lastly, I quote Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, who said, "The highest education is that which does not merely give us information, but make our life in harmony with all existence." I wish every one of you success in all your future endeavors. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Our Chancellor and Governor of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you very much, sir. Vote of thanks by Registrar Krishna University.
The Most Honorable Sri Bishubhushan Harichandanji, Honorable Governor of Andhra Pradesh and Chancellor of Krishna University, Distinguished Chief Guest Dr. G. Satish Reddy, Secretary Department of Defense R&D and Chairman DRDO New Delhi, and recipient of Honorary Doctor of Science, Padma Shri Professor N. Balakrishnan, Senior Scientist, IISc Bangalore, Honorable Chairman AP State Council of Higher Education, Professor K. Hemchandra Reddy Garu, Professor K. B. Chandrasekhar, Vice Chancellor of the Krishna University, visiting dignitaries, distinguished guests, members of the Executive Council, Academic Senate members, Deans of Faculty, Principals of Constituent Colleges of University, Controller of Examinations, Research Scholars, students, parents, recipient of gold medals, degree of awardees, teaching and supporting staff, police personnel, print and electronic media, good afternoon to you all. I am very happy to inform you that a total number of 41,719 UG candidates have applied for their original degree in different disciplines, and 9,111 PG, MPhil, PhD candidates are applied for their original degree in different disciplines on this 5th convocation. Altogether, 50,830 candidates have applied for their degree in this auspicious occasion. It's my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this momentous occasion. I profusely thank our Honorable Chancellor, Sri Bishubhushan Harichandanji, for having spared his valuable time in the convocation, and thank you for your gracious presence. Sir, your convocation address was insightful, inspiring, and infused a sense of pride in all of us. Thank you, sir. My deepest gratitude to Dr. G. Satish Reddy Garu, Chairman DRDO New Delhi, for his gracious acceptance of our invitation and adding charm and grace to this occasion. Thank you very much, sir. My sincere thanks to our recipient of Doctor of Science, Padma Shri Professor N. Balakrishnan, an eminent scholar and senior scientist in INSA, IISc Bangalore, for accepting our Doctoral of Letters. Thank you very much, sir. My deepest thanks to our Honorable Chairman of Higher Education, Professor Hemchandra Reddy Garu, who has been the pillar of strength and whose advices and compassionate concern for the university is remarkable. Thank you, sir, for your abundant support. My deepest thanks are due to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor K.B. Chandrasekhar Garu. Thank you for your dedication, hard work, and commitment, sir. My special thanks to all the honorable members of the Executive Council and Academic Senate of the University. Thank you all for your gracious presence. My sincere thanks to all the deans of the faculty, Controller of Examination, organizing committee members, who have given enormous cooperation for making this occasion a grand success. Thank you, one and all. I really appreciate police personnel, print and electronic media, and all the departments of state government for their great support in all the way. Thank you all. Once again, my thanks and congratulations to all the students who have received degrees and gold medals today. Thank you all who have given a wonderful support to make a successful convocation. Thank you.
Now, the Dean Faculty of Commerce and Management, Social Sciences, Arts, Law and Education, Professor D. Surichandra Rao, will present the candidates for the award of degrees. I request all the students of this faculty to stand up.
Will the candidates for the research degrees, master's and bachelor's degree in business administration, commerce, human resource management, English, Telugu, economics, social work, journalism and mass communication, and education in the Faculty of Commerce and Management Studies, Social Sciences, Arts, Law, and Education kindly stand. Mr. Vice Chancellor, sir, I present to you these candidates and pray that they may be admitted to the research degrees, master's and bachelor's degrees in business administration, commerce, human resource management, English, Telugu, economics, social work, journalism and mass communications, and educations in the Faculty of Commerce and Management Studies, Social Sciences, Arts, Law and Education.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of Krishna University, I admit you to the research degrees, the master's and bachelor's degree in business administration, commerce, the human resource management, English, Telugu, economics, social work, journalism and mass communication, and education. And I charge you throughout your life to prove worthy of these degrees.
Thank you. Now the candidates will resume their seats. Now, the Dean Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Professor Y.K. Sundar Krishna, will present the candidates for the award of degrees.
Will the candidates for the PhD, MPhil degrees, Master's degree in Computer Applications, Master's degree in Technology, Bachelor's degree in Technology, Bachelor's degree in Computer Applications, kindly stand. Mr. Vice Chancellor, sir, I present you these candidates and pray that they may be admitted to the PhD, MPhil degrees, Master's degree in Computer Applications, Master's degree in Technology, bachelor's degree in technology and bachelor's degree in computer applications in the Faculty of Engineering and Technology.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of Krishna University, I admit you to the Master's degree in Computer Applications, the Master's degree in Technology, the Bachelor's degree in Technology, and Bachelor's degree in Computer Applications in the Faculty of Engineering and Technology, and I charge you throughout your life to prove worthy of these degrees.
Thank you. Now the candidates will resume their seats. Now, the Dean Faculty of Life Sciences, Mathematical and Physical Sciences, Pharmaceutical Sciences, Dr. K. Jayalakshmi, will present the candidates for the award of degrees.
Will the candidates for research degrees, master's and bachelor's degree in science, botany, zoology, microbiology, biochemistry, biotechnology, mathematics, applied mathematics, chemistry, pharmaceutical chemistry, organic chemistry, analytical chemistry, physics, electronics and instrumentation, visual communication, computer science, and pharmacy kindly stand. Mr. Vice Chancellor, sir, I present to you these candidates and pray that they may be admitted to the master's and bachelor's degree in science, botany, zoology, microbiology, biochemistry, biotechnology, mathematics, applied mathematics, chemistry, pharmaceutical chemistry, organic chemistry, analytical chemistry, physics, electronics and instrumentation, visual communication, computer science, and pharmacy in the Faculty of Life Science, Mathematical and Physical Science, Pharmaceutical Sciences.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of Krishna University, I admit you to the Master's and Bachelor's degree in Science, the Botany, Zoology, Microbiology, Biochemistry, Biotechnology, Mathematics, Applied Mathematics, Chemistry, Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Organic Chemistry, Analytical Chemistry, Physics, Electronics and Instrumentation, Visual Communication, the Computer Science, and Pharmacy. And I charge you throughout your life to prove worthy of these degrees in the Faculty of the Life Science, Mathematical and Physical Sciences, Pharmaceutical Sciences.
Thank you. The candidates may resume their seats. Now, presentation of research degrees. The research candidates are requested to come and form a queue and stand on the left side for the presentation. The registrar will present the research degree awardees to the Chancellor and the Vice Chancellor.
I am inviting the PhD awardees in Faculty of Commerce and Arts. N. Aruna, H.V. Sivasri Chitta, S. Padmini, K.V. Bangaru Ganesh, Jagadishwari Kurra, Satyanarayana Yam, S. Santa Kumari, K.S. Venkateswara Kumar, A. Srinivasarao, శ్రీనివాస బాలభారతి, కె నాగసుందరి, పి లక్ష్మీనారాయణమ్మ, గౌరీ కుసుమ పి, బి సుధాకర్ రావు, సిహెచ్ దాల్ పడాల్, ఎం మాధవి, బి నాగయ్య, కె మాధవ కుమార్, కె రాధా, నరేష్ కుమార్ పి, అబ్దుల్ రహీం, కె షర్మిల, శైలజ ఝాన్సీ. Next, Faculty of Computer Science and Engineering. V. Sambasivarao, N.V. Syamakumar Dasari, Chakka Suresh Babu, Maineni Tanuj Kumar, Deena Babu M, Sai Kumar S, Nagul Sheikh, K. Sujata, Shobhana M, Smita Chaudhary, Surya Prashanti L, Mary Sujata, Ratna Jyoti C, Chinta Nagamanisha, NVSLS Indira, Sheikh Zakir Hussain, Ashalata B, P. Bharati Devi, M. Jayanti Rao, Sunita D. G. Krishnamohan Devarakonda. M. Pramod Kumar. V. Sujay. Y. Padma. V. Sujata Lakshmi. PhD awardees in Faculties of Sciences. Faculty of Sciences. N. Krishna Rao. E. Sailaja. B. Pratap Reddy. T. Anil Kumar. B. Vinod Kumar. V. Madhubabu. G. Lakshmi Prasanna. K. Subbarao. P. Jayaprada. P.V.S. Sairam. G. Ravi Kumar. M. Seshu Kumar. M. Harita. T. Deepan. A. Yashwant. V. Harini Chaudhary. Karuna Priya Chitra. Y. Narsimha Rao. G. Veena. Pallavi K. Jayapreeti P. Shreya Koneru. K. Srikant Kumar. G. Srinivas. G. Bhargavaram. B. Pratap Naidu. A. Pratyusha. Venkateshwar Rao B.
Now I request the dignitaries on the dais and the candidates, the family members, parents, faculty to raise up for the dissolution of the convocation.
I declare the convocation dissolved.
Thank you, sir. Now we shall all be standing for the national anthem.